Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. Before I start, I would like to share some important tips. Make sure to check the quality settings on a YouTube player and set it to 720 or higher. Also, expand the player to full screen. This will ensure a clear view of the code and actions demonstrated in the video. Today, I will show you how to export reports and dashboards from code in a Python application using the Flux framework. Open your IDE with the project folder. First, you need to install the Stimulsoft package. If you only need reports, you can use the Stimulsoft reports package, but in this tutorial, we will use the Stimulsoft dashboards package. Open the terminal and run the installation command. Next, add a Python file to the project, such as export from code PI. Add a static folder and inside it create a reports folder. Copy report templates to the reports folder using the terminal. The preparation is now complete. First, import the necessary modules from the Flask framework and the Stimulsoft package. Set up an endpoint for application routing. Add an export function that creates a report object, renders it, and exports it to the required format, such as a PDF file. Define the port and mode for the local server. Open the terminal and run the project using the Python interpreter. Navigate to the local URL in a browser. You should see the report exported as a PDF file, which will also open in the browser. In the project, replace the report file with a dashboard. Reload the web page. Now the dashboard will be exported to a PDF file. If you found this video valuable, feel free to share it with your colleagues and do not forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on future content. See you next time.